Good morning, my dear student. Today we will continue your class 8 SST, the Geography Chapter 5 Industry. The topic Cotton Textile Industry. In this topic, we have discussed some points in my previous video. I have explained the industrial sector which is flourished in India, the various center of the textile industry like Mumbai, like Ahmedabad, and we discuss the short history of the textile industry in India also. But this is the very strange matter with us that we have everything, but we are not in the first position in textile industry in the world. What was the reason behind that? No doubt to say that the technology upgradation of our textile machineries, that was not so good. The skilled labor, that is also not available. Infrastructure, it should be, and the government interest. I have already taught you when we discuss about that the condition of the Manchester of India, Ahmedabad, and he also faced the problem of the technology in that industry. The recent years, Ahmedabad textile mills have been having some problem. Ahmedabad, the sector, that is the textile sector in India, that is the main hub of the textile industry, but it also suffer the problem. He have been having some problems. Several textiles mills have been closed. What is the reason behind that? If you minutely observe about that, then you can find the reason. This is primarily due to the emergence of new textile center in the country, as well as non-upgradation of the machines of technology in the mill of Ahmedabad. The upgradation, that is the main problem. If government take action, if government like that, how can it possible that industry not developed? We can fight, we can obtain the first position. But here I want to inform you that is not only the lackness of the government, it is the shortcoming of ours also. हमारी भी कुछ कमियां हैं, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट की भी कुछ कमियां हैं. सिर्फ अपग्रेडेशंस और मशीनरीज के आधार पे ही हम ये कह दें कि हमारे देश में हम फर्स्ट पोजीशन में टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में नहीं हो पा रहे, ये इसके पीछे का रीजन सिर्फ यही नहीं हो सकता है. There are the various reasons behind that why we are not on the top position in the textile industry. हम क्यों नहीं पहुंच रहे? Why we not reach that? Why we not reached on top position? What is the reason behind that? Government should think. We should also think. And if you will analysis our system, we can easily understand the shortcomings of our system and our rules which is implemented in our country. Everything that is very clear. In last topic, what I discussed, the Ahmedabad, that was the textile center which is situated in Gujarat. Ahmedabad, first cotton mill established in 1859, where the every facilities available for the flourish to the textile industry, like the humid climate, like skilled and semi-skilled labor, because I have already told you the Maharashtra and Gujarat, that dense populated state of India, though the labor, cheap labor, that is easily available there. The machinery is also that city connected with the transportation facility. The communication system is that is developed the railway tracks, connected the Gujarat, the Ahmedabad from the other city of our country. भारत की बहुत सारे शहरों से ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटी से कनेक्टेड है. इवन द सूरत that is also situated near sea. That's why the sea route also in favor of that industry. Mumbai and Ahmedabad, both, if you will try to locate in the map, then you can easily understand that the sea route facility is in favor of that place. Raw materials also available there. The land is what? In the favor of that industries. Cotton वहाँ पे अच्छी हो सकती है. Humid climate वहाँ पे है. Skilled labor है. Machinery developed है. Transportation facilities है. Communication system properly है. तो गुजरात में ये व्यवस्था तेजी से फैली. उसके बाद भी even if what we have seen that Ahmedabad faced the various problem. Mills have been having some problems. Several textile mills have closed down. Why? Upgradation of the machineries. Due to the upgradation of the machineries, the new machineries, if that mill not upgrade, he will out of the market. He will out of the what? The किससे वर्तमान में डेवलपमेंट से बाहर हो जाएगा. इन चीजों को हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था. वी हैव डिस्कस ऑल थिंग्स इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, द नेक्स्ट सेंटर इन जापान, ओसाका. ओसाका, that is the important city of Japan. It is famous for the textile and cotton industry. Osaka, it is an important textile center of Japan, also known as Manchester of Japan. The textile industry developed in Osaka due to the several geographical factors. The extensive plain around Osaka ensured that land was easily available for the growth of cotton mills. Warm, humid climate is well suited to spinning and weaving. The river Yodo provides the sufficient water for the mill. Labor is easily available. Location of port facilities, import of raw cottons and for exporting textiles. Import raw cottons and exporting textiles. The textile industry at Osaka depend on what? Completely upon the imported raw materials. Cotton is imported from Egypt, India, China and USA. The finished product is mostly exported and has the good market due to the good quality and low price. Though it is one of the important textile cities in the country. Of late, the cotton textile industry of Osaka has been replaced by other industry such as iron and steel machinery, shipbuilding, automobiles, electrical equipment and cement. Osaka, that is famous for the textile industry. Osaka is the main center of textile industry in Japan. Osaka is the city of Japan. Osaka called the Manchester of Japan. Why? Because the cotton quality, the cotton textile industry, their product is very famous. That is not only the quality base, but also their rate is very low. The cheap product that is made in Osaka. इनमें जो कॉटन बनती है ओसाका में वो सस्ती हैं, कम है. ओसाका में ओसाका जापान का एक महत्वपूर्ण शहर है. वहां पर जो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री डेवलप हुई उसके लिए जो आवश्यक आवश्यकताएं थी, जोग्राफिकल जो जरूरत की चीजें, जोग्राफिकल कंडीशंस हैं, वो उसके फेवर में, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री के फेवर में है. ओसाका के चारों ओर विस्तृत मैदान है जो सूती वस्त्र मिलों के विकास के लिए आसानी से भूमि उपलब्ध हो जाती है. ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट वीविंग्स एंड स्पिनिंग के लिए सुविधाएं प्रदान करती हैं। योडो रिवर से वाटर मिल जाती हैं और फिर जो आसानी से जो यहाँ पे लेबर है, चीप लेबर भी अवेलेबल है। पोर्ट की स्थिति मिलने के कारण, पोर्ट सिटी होने के कारण ओसाका इजिली कनेक्टेड हो जाता है विदेशों से, विदेशी शहरों से। ओसाका का टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री पूरी तरीके से बाहर से मंगाए जाने वाले कच्चे रॉ मटेरियल्स पे डिपेंड होता है। ये बाहर से मंगाने वाले जो मटेरियल्स हैं वो कहां से मंगाए जाते हैं? वो इजिप्ट से, इंडिया से, चाइना से, यूएसए से ये मंगाए जाते हैं और फिर इनको द रिवर योडो प्रोवाइड सफिशिएंट वाटर फॉर द मिल। Labor is easily available. Location of port facilities import to raw cotton for the exporting textiles. Facilities import of raw cotton and for the exporting textiles. The textile industry at Osaka depend completely upon imported raw materials, as I inform you. Again and again, why I focus that point, that all the raw materials that was imported from other country in Japan, except it, the Osaka become very famous in textile industry. ओसाका योडो नदी का पानी मिलों को आसानी से प्राप्त हो जाता है, पर्याप्त जल उपलब्ध कराती है योडो रिवर, और जो लेबर है वो भी आसानी से वहाँ उपलब्ध है, अवेलेबल है। It means the availability of the labor also available there, and the Yodo River provide the sufficient water facilities for the textile industry in Osaka. Port, one more thing which is very important for the textile trade, the port that was on the developed position. Location of port facilities, import of raw cotton and for exporting textiles. The textile industry at Osaka depend completely upon the imported raw materials. Cotton is imported from the Egypt, India, China and USA. That is the very important things कि रॉ मटेरियल्स के रूप में कॉटन का आयात भिन्न भिन्न देशों से होता है, इजिप्ट से, इंडिया से, चाइना से, यूएस से। इन क्षेत्रों से रॉ मटेरियल्स मंगा करके जापान ओसाका में एक परिष्कृत उत्पाद के रूप में कॉटन का निर्माण करती है और फिर उसे इंपोर्ट करने के बाद, रॉ मटेरियल्स इंपोर्ट करने के बाद, कंप्लीटली क्लॉथ बनाने के बाद उसको एक्सपोर्ट कर देती है। सबसे ज्यादा इसकी क्वालिटी, जो ओसाका में बनने वाले कपड़े हैं उनकी क्वालिटी, उनकी डिजाइनिंग कंपेयर देन अदर कंट्रीज टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री बहुत अच्छी है। और यही गुणवत्ता उसकी और मूल्य में उसकी जो कम कीमत रखना उसको टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में मजबूती से अपने पैर जमाने में सफल बनाती है। यद्यपि देश का यह एक महत्वपूर्ण उद्योग है, ओसाका में कॉटन इंडस्ट्री एक इंपॉर्टेंट इंडस्ट्री है, लेकिन वी हैव सीन दैट ओसाका आल्सो फेस so many difficulties what we have read in Ahmedabad, that upgradation, what the problem of the Ahmedabad and their textile mills, what is their problem? Their problem, upgradation of machineries and the technology in the mill of Ahmedabad. Similarly in Osaka also, even the technology of Japan that was much better than India, but the other industry which is established in Japan, particular that region, they were greater than their technology. उनकी टेक्नोलॉजी जो इंडस्ट्री लगी, उनकी टेक्नोलॉजी ओसाका से अच्छी है. Though it is one of the important textile cities in country, Osaka, of the late the cotton textile industry of Osaka has been replaced by other industry. such as iron and steel, machineries, automobiles, shipping, shipbuilding, electrical equipment and cement. These are the industry they established on the particular region which is hub of the textile industry. I mean in Osaka. ओसाका में ये जो टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री के अलावा यद्यपि जो महत्वपूर्ण उद्योग है टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री ओसाका की, लेकिन फिर भी हाल के कुछ दिनों में ओसाका में सूती वस्त्र उद्योग का स्थान जो छोटे छोटे अन्य उद्योग हैं वो भी ले रहे हैं, उनको रिप्लेस कर दिया या रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं, जिसमें आयरन इंडस्ट्री है, मशीनरीज हैं, शिप बिल्डिंग है, ऑटोमोबाइल्स हैं और सीमेंट इंडस्ट्रीज। ये चीजें ओसाका को रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं। सो वी हैव रीड हियर द टू मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज सेंटर, फर्स्ट इन इंडिया अहमदाबाद and second in Japan, Osaka. Both places, what we observe that the raw materials, the infrastructure, the labor availability, water facility, transportation, it is all available. Particular that region, I mean Osaka and Ahmedabad. So that's why textile industry flourishes. And one likeness also similarly we have find both place. What? The upgradation of machineries. Due to that, what? They compete other industries in particular regions. So, we have a clear idea that whenever we will not upgrade our machine with throughout from particular what? Not only industry, but particular place. That is the main things which we have to understand. The mills have closed down if not upgrade their machineries, not upgrade their technology. That is the importance of industry which we read today. Next topic, the information technology, IT. In this topic, we will also read the information technology in India and abroad. First, what is the meaning of information technology? First, you have to know the information technology industry deals in the storage, processing, and distribution of information. Nowadays, that is the very important things. What? To collect the various informations. You have heard that China collected the other countries' informations, their citizens' informations, their official documents was hacked by China. Why? Because the information play a very important role to making policies of the particular countries. It also establishes relationship, diplomatic relationship. On the basis of that, they can easily understand that which type of policies, if we implemented, that is in favor of us, in favor of them. Both. If you know about that actual condition of the country, if you know about that, if you have information about the countries and the people. So nowadays information is a very important element for all countries. Everyone aware of that. You have mobile. Suppose when you upload our apps, and when you upload your apps, some information ask app with to you that I assess your file, I assess your camera, I assess the documents, everything, and then after the app uploaded. It means indirectly he क्या ले लेता है वो आपसे इन सारी चीजों की जानकारी ले लेता है. That is the information. That is the if you will see the definition of information, then you can easily understand. The information technology industry deals in the storage, the processing, and the distributions of information. Today, this industry has become the global. This is due to the series of technological, political, and the socio-economic event. The main factor guiding the location of these industries are resource availability, cost, and infrastructure. The major hub of the IT industry are the Silicon Valley, California, and Bangalore, India. We will discuss both places, Silicon Valley in USA and Bangalore in India. I think you can easily understand the importance of the information and information technology, both. Their importance in today the industry has become the global. This is due to the what? The series of technological, political, and the socio-economic event. You have seated in your room and open your mobile and search the particular place events. What happened in Bengal, what happened in Bihar, what happened in UP, what happened in abroad also, I mean to say USA, London, Britain, France, Turkey, Pakistan, everywhere. Every information you can easily available in your mobile. That is information technology. On the basis of that you can what? Know that knowledge. आज इन सारी जानकारियों को आप जान पाते हैं. They play very important role in the political scenario, in the socio-economic scenario, in the technological development also. Their fields, information technology is a very very important things. आप इस इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी जो इंडस्ट्री की जो प्रोसेस है, इनको अगर विस्तार से व्यवहार में लाते हैं तो आज वर्तमान में ये उद्योग ग्लोबल हो गया है. टेक्नोलॉजी, पॉलिटिकल, सोशियो इकोनॉमिक परिवर्तन के कारण ही ऐसा हुआ. आज लोगों की डिमांड बढ़ने लगी. आज लोगों ने अपने को अपडेट किया. अपडेट थ्रू टेक्नोलॉजी, थ्रू मशीनरीज, थ्रू आइडियाज. अब इन विचारों के साथ, मशीनों के साथ, टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ अपने को अपग्रेड किया. दैट इज द अपग्रेडेशन. और फिर मुख्य कारक जो इस उद्योग के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है, वो उस स्थिति का निर्धारित करते हैं. ये संसाधन उपलब्ध कराते हैं. संसाधनों की लागत क्या है, उसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बुनियादी ढांचा कैसा है, उनका इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या योगदान है, इन सारी चीजों के बारे में ये महत्वपूर्ण. आई मीन टू द मेन फैक्टर्स guiding the location of these industry are resource availability, cost and infrastructure. The major hub of the IT industry are the Silicon Valley, California and Bangalore in India. वो चीजें hard, I think you are all read in your class 8 the computer or information practice, IP, where you read about that what is the meaning of computer, what is the meaning of hardware, what is the meaning of software. This is the basic knowledge. And on that, after having get knowledge about the hardware, software, computer, you started to work as an IT expert in this sector. So what I try to understand you that this industry is the now that time the requirement of every and each country, in village also, in urban area also, everywhere the people have their smartphones, pager, camera, the various satellites that is launched by the country. बहुत सारे सैटेलाइट्स हैं, ये लॉन्च किए जा रहे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि ये इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी को ही डेवलप करने का प्रयास किया जा रहा है डे बाय डे. ओके, कम टू द पॉइंट. इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, IT, पेज नंबर I think 61 in your book. Open your book and listen what I am saying. Imagine how much could be the accomplished if companies could operate on 24-hour working. Some software companies in the United States of America and in Bangalore, India have joined hand to what? Achieve this. There are many ways in which this form of the shift work across ocean. For example, two software professionals, Danny in the Silicon Valley, California, and Smita in Bangalore, are working on a joint project. While Smita in Bangalore sleeping, Danny in California is working. In Bangalore sleep, Danny in California is working. At the end of his working, he sent a message to Smita, update his progress. When he arrives at work in Bangalore, a couple of hours later, she noticed that the message awaits her. She get to work on the project straight away. By the end of the working, she relay the result of her effort back to California by the way they communicate and work together. It is as if they were sitting in the adjoining office. This story, according to that story, author want to inform you the importance of what? The IT industry. author कहता है कि अगर बात करें आईटी इंडस्ट्री की, आईटी टेक्नोलॉजी की, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी की, तो कहता है कि आप यू कैन एज्यूम कंपनी विच वर्किंग 24 आवर्स, एक ऐसी कंपनी जो 24 घंटे काम करती है और कितना काम कर सकती है। इन चीज़ों को एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझाने का प्रयास कर रहा था। आथर कहता है कि यूनाइटेड स्टेट ऑफ अमेरिका के सिलिकॉन वैली और बेंगलोर, इंडिया के बेंगलोर में कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनियां ऐसा काम करती हैं। कहता है कि बेंगलोर में एक प्रोफेशनल हैं स्मिता और सिलिकॉन वैली में एक आईटी प्रोफेशनल्स हैं डैनी। दोनों अपने अपने जगह काम कर रहे हैं। डैनी जब काम करते हैं, स्मिता सोती हैं और डैनी अपना सारा प्रोग्रेस रिपोर्ट मेल करते हैं, और जब स्मिता जगती हैं तो फिर डैनी सो जाते हैं। इट मीन्स शिफ्ट में काम करने का, पूरे विश्व में इस तरह का जो शिफ्ट में काम करने के कई सारे रास्ते हैं। अगर सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी यूनाइटेड स्टेट में और बेंगलोर में बात है, कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनियां ऐसा करते हैं, उन्होंने ऐसा समझौता किया। पूरे विश्व में इस तरह के शिफ्ट में काम करने का जो कई रास्ते उन्होंने निकाले। 24 घंटे काम करने के रास्ते आसान है। उन्होंने 2 सिटी को लिया, बेंगलोर को और अमेरिका को, अमेरिका के सिलिकॉन वैली को। जब इंडिया सोता है, सिलिकॉन वैली इट मीन्स अमेरिका के उस प्रांत में लोग काम करते हैं। 24 आवर्स वर्किंग, दैट इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स। व्हाट द companies could operate on 24 hours working with the help of that system. Or for example, you can easily understand what I told you, the story of Smita and Danny. Danny is in California, Silicon Valley, and Smita in India, Bangalore. ये क्या करते हैं? ये किसी एक प्रोजेक्ट पे दोनों काम कर रहे हैं। जब स्मिता बेंगलोर में सोती हैं, डैनी कैलिफोर्निया में काम करते हैं, और अपने काम के दिन की समाप्ति पर वो अपने काम का जो प्रोग्रेस है वो रिपोर्ट स्मिता को भेज देते हैं। कुछ घंटे पश्चात जब बेंगलोर में स्मिता काम पर पहुंचती हैं तो पाती हैं कि उनको एक मैसेज मिला हुआ है और वो सीधे तौर पे परियोजना पे काम करने शुरू कर देती हैं। अपने काम के दिन की समाप्ति के बाद वो अपने कार्य का परिणाम पुनः कैलिफोर्निया सेंड कर देती हैं, और इस प्रकार संवाद और कार्य साथ साथ करते हैं। आपस में बातचीत और इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर करने का प्रोसेस चलता रहता है, और इस प्रकार से मानो दोनों ऐसा लगता है कि कार्यालय एक पास हो, उनके ऑफिस एक पास हो। इट मीन्स दिस स्टोरी क्लियर कट इन्फॉर्म यू दैट विद द हेल्प ऑफ IT, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, working hours it should be increased. क्या इसको it could be 24 hours, इसको किया जा सकता है 24 घंटे. The finest example which we discuss here. We read the two story. One story from two places: California, Silicon Valley, India, Bangalore. Smita and Danny. I think you can understand what I am saying here. When Smita arrived on work in Bangalore, a couple of hours later, she noticed that a message awaited her. She get to work on the project straight away. By the end of her working, she relay the result of her effort back to California. By the way, the communicate and working together, it is if they were sitting in adjoining office. ऐसा लगता है कि दोनों पास पास बैठे हो, दोनों एक साथ हैं. And what I already told you that the difference of information technology. I taught you that the information technology industry deals in the storage, processing and distributing of the information. That is the work of that industry. Bangalore is located on the Deccan Plateau, from where it gets the name Silicon Plateau. The city is known for its mild climate throughout the year. Silicon Valley is a part of Santa Clara Valley, located next to the Rocky Mountains of the North America. The area has temperate climate with the temperature rarely dropping below 0 degree centigrade. The location advantages of the Silicon Plateau, Bangalore and Silicon Valley, California are discussed on the next page. You may have noticed the similarities between the two cities. You have to notice that. Both situated on the plateau regions. The Silicon Valley is a part of the Santa Clara Valley and the Bangalore, the Deccan Plateau. It means situation that is equal. The below a degree centigrade, the temperature is also similar there. You may notice, I think you can easily understand that their situation that is equal. There are other emerging information technology, these hubs in the metropolitan centers of India such as Mumbai, New Delhi, Hyderabad and Chennai. Other cities such as Gurgaon, Pune,